This one's for you. Rest in peace, Othello. Hello guys, my name's Jordan Wells, and today I'll be giving my eulogy today. First, I'd like to start off with my favorite quote that he said close to his near death. Then must you speak of one that loved not wisely, but too well. Oh, dear Othello, oh how you will be missed. You were such a great man who was full of life. I understand it was hard to get where you were. You were surrounded by those who did not care for you. Maybe your wife did, but that wasn't enough. You deserved the world. Heaven gained an angel when you passed. I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I'm sad I will no longer get the opportunity to make more fun adventure memories with you. Oh, how I will miss the days where you... I'm sorry. Oh, how I will miss the days where we would go on random hikes and get lost to the point where we would have to just make camp and stay the night. I'll never forget that one time after a long day of fighting in the battle when you made us all dinner and then burnt the rice. You were so mad, but I told you it'd be okay. Or how your father-in-law didn't want you to be married to his daughter, so you came to my house after we shared a beer that night and laughed the entire time until we both fell asleep. The fact that you will no longer be here makes me sick. I just wish you will... Sorry guys, I don't know if I can do this. I just wish you would have listened to me and not that crazy boy named Iago. He was young and foolish. He always wanted to be you, and I knew it. And he